Hello friends, we have just finished installing this Vanture Nexus 5. That's a 4-channel dash camera. We installed in a school bus, highest year 26, and that's just a review about this camera. So it came with the hardwire kit. We have already installed all wires hidden and everything, and as you can see, it's hard to focus, so that's, you can see in one camera where I'm showing my mobile phone recording. So there is a rear camera as well, inside and outside. Only trouble with this Nexus, Venture dash camera, that the cable length for rear camera wasn't long enough. It should be a meter extra. So you can see where we have installed the rear dash camera. I'll get closer in a while. And already has a SD card inside. It has a Wi-Fi, GPS for location, and the initial setup quite easy. So you can see your speed as well while driving in that dash camera, which I won't recommend, but still that's there. And dash camera has a, like, the front one goes up to, I think, 4080p it's showing, and all other cameras are at 1080p. And front probably have a bit more resolution, maybe it does support 2K as well. But looks like quite a really good dash camera if you are looking for a setup, something like this kind of commercial vehicle. So the wire all along, we ran over this here on top, and yeah, so it's supposed to be within middle here, but still due to these seats here, I'm thinking that's a really good position for a camera. And so it has a one back camera facing at back side, this camera facing inside. So yeah, if you are looking for something 4-channel, I recommend one of best camera in market at the moment. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.